Incremental greetings. I have a quick hack for your Supermemo collection. So you know that you have the toolkit options, and among other things, you have the children limit per branch. And in Supermemo, the maximum limit it's 500. That means that when you surpass this, Supermemo will spam every time. Hey, you're above. Hey, you're above. You're gonna still do more. You're gonna still have more children, but it will be cumbersome, the message every time. There's something you can do. In the user interface, you can only do 5 to 500. But did you know that most of the stats here, the settings, are actually saved in a local file? And you can cheat by editing that file. And here you go. It's in your collection. In my case, so here's the directory of the collection. In this case, it's my learning collection. And then it's this collection.ini file. If you open this, you will have a few hundred lines of most of the stuff. But look at this. In my case, it's line 102. For you, could be a different one. And I could say, let's try 700. Take this into account that the more children, the more laggy Supermemo will be, or more likely to be laggy. I will close Supermemo. Okay, this has changed already. Do this with Supermemo closed. Then 700, save, and now this should be already good to go. Even though in the options we'll still set here at the maximum. Look at that, 700. That would have been impossible to set manually. And indeed, if we try, okay, for the sake of the example, I will do a quick split by just spacebar. So it creates many children. Okay, we're about to hit the limit, 500, and still is going on. Okay, I interrupted the split. So in this case, I have more than 800 elements. What's going to happen now if I add a new one? Too many children, because it's 700 and I have 851. No worries. I close Supermemo, 900, save. And now I no longer have the pop-up message, because now the limit actually is 900. So even though it cannot be set in the user interface, it's respected, the number that should not be that high. And keep in mind, this is an example of the children. You can cheat, you can set other numbers impossible in the ini file and in the interface. For instance, in the stats, how many repetitions do I have here? Oh, just 170,000. Oh, let's add 1,000,000. Pa-pa-boom. That was easy, right? Now I have 1,000,000 more reps. For whatever reason, it's limited to 10 million. No worries, this is a backup. So now I can do some reps, pam, 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 and still updates. Only a few stats can be changed, and only a few things can be changed here, and it's respected. Could be useful. I don't know. For instance, what I do is the children. Is what I think it could be useful. Let me know if you just managed to do anything here that increases your productivity or could be interesting for other people. Nothing more to add today, and see you incrementally.